I will try the next one, which is minimum path sum. Given a m by n grid filled with non-negative numbers, find a path from top left, so from here to bottom right, which minimizes the sum of all numbers along its path. You can only move either down or right at any point in time. For example 1, the minimum path is 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. The output is 7. And in this example, the output is 12. I'm guessing 1, 2, 3 plus 6, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Alright, so here's the input grid. So what I'm thinking is that I can go through every cell and add the current number with the previous number. So example 3 plus 1, I will replace this with 4, and I will replace this with 5. And I will go to the bottom and I will add the top number. So I'll replace this 1 with a 2. And for this one, if there's a top number and a left number, then I will take the minimum, so which is 2 over here. So I will do 2 plus 5, which is 7. Of course, for this one, I'll do 5 plus 1, which is 6, because 5 is the smaller one. Here, I will do 2 plus 4, which is 6. I will do 6 plus 2, which is 8. And I will do 6 plus 1, which is 7. So the answer should be 7. I think that's a good strategy. Alright, so how I want to implement this is I will do a for loop. Well, the m and n are given to us. First, I will loop through the first grid. So for int I 0. Okay, so what this line is doing is that at the first row, which is row 0, it's adding the previous element to the current element. And this is just for the first row. Let me add the base case. And let me add another base case if there is only one row. I'm not actually sure what the grid column size gives, because why is it a pointer to end? Okay, I will just test it over here. So what I will do is I will do printf %d, and I will print this, and I will print the dereference version of this. I want to run test cases. There's no return, never mind. I just want to see, hold on, turn 0. Okay, so over here in this example, I got 2 and 3, right? So 2 is how many rows there are. Okay, so grid size is how many rows, grid column size is, yeah. But why did it have to be a pointer though? That's what I don't understand. Right, so going back to this, I have to dereference this, dereference, and I have to do this, grid column size. Actually, int num column, I think this is better. And I will check if there's one row beforehand. So this way we aren't doing the if condition twice. Like we aren't doing the equality checking twice. Anyways, now let's loop through the rows. Okay, so I have to do the first column first. So in the first column, I have to add the top number, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. So add particular row, first column, I'm adding that row minus 1. And then for every other one, for every other number, like after that first one, I'll check whether the top is bigger or the left is bigger. So in the current row, in the previous column is bigger than the current column in the previous row. If this is the case, if the number to the left is bigger, then add that number. Otherwise, if the number above is bigger, then add that number. Finally, return the number in the bottom right. Also, I don't really need the base case, right? Because if I don't have the base case, these two for loops will be skipped. I don't think I need the base case. All right, let's test it. Yeah, what's the issue? Getting 12 when I should be getting... Wait, I know what I did wrong. So if the left one is smaller, then we add the left one. Okay. If the left one, then here it is. Now let's submit. Yep, I got it correct.